It's Megan from the Shaker Library, and I'm going to show you how to do bubble painting, making your own bubble solution that you can make with things you have around the house. So all you'll need is water, dish soap, and a little bit of sugar. I'm doing a half of the recipe. So the recipe calls for a cup and a half of water, a half cup of dish soap, and 2 teaspoons of sugar, but I just cut it in half for just a little bit of bubbles today. So I'm using a 3/4 cup of water, ¼ cup of dish soap, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to mix that all together. And I want to use 3 colors for my bubble painting. So I'm going to pour this into 3 containers here. And then I'm going to take my food coloring and put a few drops in each one. So I have yellow, blue, and red. And a little goes a long way with food coloring, so you shouldn't need a whole lot. And I have my blank sheet of paper here, and my cat Tuffer is helping out. So then all you need to do is dip your bubble wand in your solution and blow bubbles directly onto the page. It's a little hard to see what I'm doing, but the bubbles land on the page and the food coloring in the bubble solution soaks into the paper and gives you some color. You also get kind of a cool splatter effect. Try some blue. So I have kind of a mix of bubbles and splatters here. And I'm just going to lay it flat to dry. Another thing that you can do if you have some straws around the house is you can take the straw and blow into the bubble solution and create bubbles on the surface of the bubble solution, and then lay your paper down on top of it to make kind of a print of the bubbles. So that's another thing that you can try. I hope you have fun bubble painting. Goodbye.